we dig to put in underground structures, we have found many pilings that were here some 100 years. Incredible. And we are using these beautiful pieces of heart pine timber. We're milling them, and we will be using them in furniture and specialty pieces here in the hotel.
We're reclaiming them, and we're going to bring them back to life, give them a second life in the building, not as a structural member, but as a decoration, as art. I think this is their second life. Everything that was here was trees that were 150 to 200 years old at the time they were cut. They've been submerged in the river for 100 years. And when we sliced them open, what we found was near perfect wood. The water had preserved everything. There was no decay. The internal sap of the pine was still intact and still sticky. So today, here on the riverfront, they're driving new sheet pilings, the modern equivalent to the old river wood pilings that were originally set to hold the Savannah River into its banks. I think one of the most thrilling aspects of this project is being able to reclaim what has been here for many, many years. We care about our planet, we care about our natural resources, and reclaiming what we can and reusing and reinventing new ways to use what has already been harvested once and give it new life, give it a new purpose, and make it beautiful.